Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, Microsoft denies it. And it's possible that it's not true. So we talked about a lot about the problems with, connecting to Outlook and connecting to different services from Microsoft. And one of the things that we know is that a group called Anonymous Sudan could be behind all of this. Now, the thing is, the group has actually put online a series of information about accounts, user accounts, emails, stuff like that. And they say that they have actually stolen some credentials from Microsoft by a data breach. So this is an interesting one because now they're claiming that they were able to actually get into Microsoft servers, and they stole, apparently, according to them, the 30 million customer accounts information and connected info and so on. Now, the information that you have on the website is not... no one can actually, except Microsoft, of course, no one can really compare and see if it's valid Microsoft account and information. It could just be some other data theft that they took, information and put it online and say, well, this is Microsoft stuff. It could be really, really something else. We don't really know. On the Microsoft side of things, Microsoft says that, nope, there has been absolutely no data breach here. So, of course, in general, when companies do have data breach, they do admit it because they will have to actually tell customers and tell users that their accounts may have been compromised. In this case, they haven't done anything, and they say that, nope, the accounts, there's no data breach at all at Microsoft. So we'll see what happens in the next few days. We know also that sometimes companies say no for the first few days, and then suddenly they say, oh, well, maybe we've been breached or not. We don't know, but Microsoft says right now that, nope, we've not breached, and the information that the group has does not have anything to do with Microsoft accounts or stolen accounts from customers at Microsoft. So we'll follow that development. It's kind of an interesting battle here between the Anonymous Sudan group, Microsoft, and of course there was a warning last Friday by some U.S. agencies, security agencies, that massive distributed denial of service attacks could be actually targeted against U.S. companies and agencies. So we'll see what happens with that, but that kind of tells us what kind of future we're going in. The war, a lot of the war and the battles will be online, and this is the way it's going to happen. So for now, Microsoft denies. It says, nope, no data breach. We'll see what happens next. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.